a wonderful day in the city of Lagos, Nigeria, and today is exactly day 11th of 25 days success challenge. We started this a couple of days ago, like 11 days ago, and yesterday we started a series on digital marketing tools for total domination. Yesterday, remember, I told you about the skills that you need for total domination. These skills are applicable on different aspects of your business. Okay, let me adjust this very well. Sorry guys, I think it's cool right now, right? Okay, let's move on. So these skills are things that are very, very crucial for every aspect of the business, both locally and internationally. If you want to put your business on steroids, you want to automate your business. But my point today is going to be mobile marketing, right? From day 1 to day 9, we'll be talking about how you can create your Bitcoin wallet. And for the purpose of this training, I've been using Coinbase, right? Then now you can move money from Coinbase to the local exchanger. And for that purpose, we will be using Instant Gold. If you want to get to see some of those videos, you can visit my YouTube channel, www.youtube.com/Sheyi Omotunde. But as I said earlier, my focus today, Icon, thank you for joining this beautiful day. This is just about afternoon in the city of Lagos. Today, as I said, we are going to be talking about mobile marketing. Mobile marketing as a way of generating traffic. Mobile marketing as a way for data secrets that you need for conversion. I'm going to tell you some things from experience when it comes to mobile. Mobile is one of those digital marketing tools which is very, 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 very good when it comes to instant response. Why? Because when you receive an SMS, either you have internet on your phone or not, but majority of people are using smartphone right now. So when you receive SMS on your phone right now, what you do is you want to check it. Some people even think it better is a bank alert, okay? There's nothing like a bank alert, okay? You just, there's much more money for you to do. So when it comes to mobile marketing, it gives you some kind of results. Okay, who do I have there? I have my brother Arije Ahmed Shola. Thank you for joining this afternoon. So when it comes to mobile marketing, you can use mobile marketing to communicate with your customer. Then this is the way I'm going to explain basically the way I use mobile marketing, right? There's issue of privacy policy everywhere right now. So privacy policy is very, very, very important. How do I drive traffic? In Nigeria, let me say from experience what I've done. Most people don't open, except it is a corporate email. Most people don't open their email in fact, sometimes in a week. In fact, some people, their emails on their phone is the synchronization between the email and the phone is now not working. They don't even know. So they are not even receiving mail. So what did I do to rectify that? So if I send an email through an email marketing, I also do a way of collecting their phone number, right? In an opt-in form, in the landing page, which you are going to know how to be the landing page in the rest of the day. So when you get their phone number through the landing page, you can now use that phone to communicate with them. And on the message that they are receiving on their phone, on their mobile phone, there's always going to be a link to that call to action, a link to another sales page, a link to the offer that you are about to give to them. So when it lands on their phone, they just click on the link and they get to where they want to get to, which they might not even open an email and they receive that. So that's one of those things with SMS, otherwise called mobile marketing. Another thing when it comes to mobile marketing, but before I move on, let me greet everybody that have joined me. Digun Abiodun, thank you for joining. Emeka Okoroma, thank you for joining. I see you. Icon said out again. So let me proceed. Another beautiful way of using mobile marketing is WhatsApp, right? The WhatsApp is another good way to do mobile marketing, right? You want to publicize maybe a product or services on social media, then you copy a WhatsApp URL, okay? WhatsApp group link to that particular message you are trying to pass across. Then people do what? People click on that link, they land on your WhatsApp. So those are WhatsApp content. Those WhatsApp information you've already got. It simply means everybody that click on that link. Let me tell you something now. When people click on that link voluntarily, right? It's not like okay, who had me to this group, who had me to that group. There will not be question of who had me to this group, who had me to that other group, because they click on the link, they land on a page. It also has them, are they wishing to join that particular group, they click it. So if they join the group, it simply means they already are aware of what they want to get into. So another way to give them a better communication and a follow-up on them, because that's the one way of generating it, is you can download the entire number on that WhatsApp group and communicate with them, send a reminder, send a follow-up through a mobile marketing. And when I'm talking about mobile marketing right now, I'm not just talking about a mobile that you just send a regular SMS, like, hello, good day, this is Sheyi from software. No, after you do stuff like that, always put a link to a particular page to perform an action or to see some more information. I can say for more information, visit www.software.com. And you know, SMS, you can just shorten the URL. You can shorten the URL with a Google URL like google.gl or tiny URL or bits or any of those URL. Let me see who we have again this beautiful afternoon. Owoyemi Nifemi Emmanuel. Okay, so if you are here to join the group where we are having 25 days success challenge, this group is free information about online business opportunity. Not only that, free information about digital marketing for business. Not only that, there are a lot of practical series that I have on playlist. If you get to go to my YouTube, www.youtube.com/Yomo today. On that YouTube page, you are going to see different training on web design, on database application, on accounting application, a lot on digital marketing, on video marketing, and how you can be a good digital marketing expert. Not just only that, how you can dominate your industry. It's very, very, very important. And the secret right now, a lot of people are shy facing the camera, just like the way I'm doing right now. Okay, I have one guy. Let me just show you the guy. Come. He's shy to show you the camera. What's your name? Osita.
Yeah.
What do you do?
I'm a digital marketer.
Digital marketer. How many videos do you have online?
Maybe one.
One.
Yeah.
Why one? You need to start working on video right now.
Yes.
The reason why is 84% of web traffic right now is from video content, right? I won't say more than that. I have another guy right here. Your name?
My name is King Praise of Samo.
Okay, what do you do?
I'm an online entrepreneur.
Online entrepreneur.
Yeah.
How many videos do you have online?
Maybe a couple of some of them I can't.
I know you have a group on Facebook.
Yeah.
Right? How many people do you have on that group?
More than 4,000.
More than 4,000. That is an investment.
Don't mind me.
Okay. So let me go ahead with what I have to tell you about. I hope you guys are getting some value from the mobile marketing, which I've been talking about. This is a time where everybody now needs to come out. This is a time where you need to participate in your own rescue. Not just only that, you need to stand for your business. You don't have the business. You are the business, right? You don't have a business. You are the business. And without sales, your business is nothing, right? Sales is passion. Passion is profit. Sales is passion. Passion is profit. You need to have passion for what you are doing to give you a sales, and when you make sales, you make profit. That is just the change. Nifemi Emmanuel said, so Simaj, you don't sabi call my name again. I just call your name now. Nifemi, I will find you, right? Okay, everybody, thank you for showing up this beautiful afternoon. And tomorrow we are going to continue with 25 days social challenge. Tomorrow I'm going to be talking about Facebook marketing. I might not show face like this. I might need to do some practical aspect, like doing some screenshots or videos to upload for you guys to see. I might also need to do some video on mobile marketing. I mean the practical video, right? How you do that? How do you create the landing page for a mobile marketing? How do you add the link on that same regular SMS that everybody uses, right? How do you convert audience, right, from your WhatsApp? Okay, how do you convert them to sales? Okay, those are the things I'm going to try as much as possible to build on video. Just make it okay to check my YouTube. I'm tapping it right now. My producer is here. It's at the backspace. www.youtube.com Sheyi Omotunde. So make it okay to visit that link /Sheyi Omotunde. You are going to see the one to even today in a couple of minutes now. You're going to have this also live on that same YouTube page. They'll make it okay to click on the group page, group link at the description section of this video. Thank you everybody for showing up this beautiful afternoon in the city of Lagos, Nigeria. Oweye Nifemi Emmanuel, Chidebere Ruka, Adigun Abiodun, Emeka Okoronta, Arije Ahmed, Uda Icon. Thank you for showing up this afternoon. I'll see you guys tomorrow when I will be discussing about Facebook marketing. Everybody have a Facebook. What is the difference between what I'm going to talk about Facebook and what you have been doing before? Let's meet tomorrow. You get to know more. Good day.